Dear students, today we meet again to read that poem, A House, a Home, composed by Lauren M. Hulley. Yesterday we were discussing about the difference between a house and a home simply, and as we knew, this poem is divided into two parts. The one part shows the description of a house, and the other part shows the description of a home. Nowadays, we daily so we daily find something on our TV screen, stay home, stay home. What is this? We stay home nowadays to be safe from corona disease. In this condition, we have been suggested to stay home. It means we should live with our family members happily. As this poem has some lines given here. What is a home? It is loving and family. A home is not only a building. A home is loving and family and doing for others. Doing for others, the parents and the other members of the family. Do for others. What is a home? It is brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. Your home is called in that shape where you live with your brothers and sisters, fathers and mothers. It is unselfish acts. Your fathers and mothers, your parents care for you. Unselfish. They have no any selfishness because you are the best loving ones for them. They provide you the best opportunity to serve, to give you affection, to give you love, and that happiness you get in the company of your parents and with other members of the family. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Everyone shares the sense of love among the sharing members of the family. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing where there is no any selfishness in the family. That family and that home becomes the heaven. Heaven स्वर्ग. वह परिवार, वह घर स्वर्ग बन जाता है. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. You children in your family are loved ones and you are always caring. The parents and others, senior and juniors in your home, in your family, care you, and they give you love, they give you sympathy. Whatever things we don't get in our home, everything we get in our home. So, the home is the best place for us. Then it is truly said nowadays, stay home and keep yourself fit. Thank you for this study.